Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel again. Let us begin with the problem number 6. Already I have explained how to remember the positions of the alphabets in the last video, and I have solved some problems from last year question papers of SSC JE. Today we move to solve some other questions, and this question was asked in SSC JE 2014. Let us solve this problem together. Very simple. When you see the question itself, you must able to understand or identify what is actually the logic behind this. Approximately you should know. After that it is very easy to solve. So I will write the question again. It is BC, FGH, KLMN, and question mark. You have to find out what is this actually. Next, X, Y, Z, A, B, C. So here the logic is, in the first group there are total of 2 letters, in the second group there are total of 3 letters, in the third group there are total of 4 numbers. So by the logic it must be 5, and here total number of letters are 6. So in the options you can remove the option D because only 4 letters are there, so you can remove the option D directly. And now I will number this. So B belongs, number is 2, C is 3, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8, next K is 11, L is 12, M is 13, N is 14, next question mark, next X is 24, Y is 25, Z is 26, A is 1, B is 2, 3, C is 3. So you can see here it is in each group it is increasing by 1, right? 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 1 7, plus 1 8. It is increasing like this, increasing in the order of +1 manner, right? So it increases in the order of +1. So I want to see what is the relation between C and F. What is the difference? Here it is 3, whereas here it is 6. Here it is 8, H is 8, whereas the K is 11. So the difference between C and F here is 3, right? Whereas the difference between H and K is again 3, right? So the difference between this and this should be, that is X and previous, it should be also 3. Okay, so after 14, which comes, N is 14, I have N is equal to 14 plus 3 is my 17 number. 17 belongs to Q, right? 17 belongs to Q. So the term, missing term, will start from the letter Q, right? Missing term should start from the letter Q. And in the options, just to see the option, please don't waste your time to write all those things. Just to see the option where exactly you will get the option starting from Q, that is option A. Option A starts from the letter Q. So the answer for this question is QRSTU, that is option A. So just see, Q plus 1 is R, plus 1 is S, next again plus 1 becomes T, again plus 1 becomes U. So all the logics are pakka for this question. So the answer is A. So I will move to second number 7 question. So here just again start writing the question DF and question mark again, next JL, next MO. Just number it. D is 4, F is 6, okay, J is 10, L is 12, next M is 13, O is 15. So each difference, each number's difference is 2, right? It is 2. 4 plus 2 becomes 6, 10 plus 2 becomes 12, 13 plus 2 becomes 15. So what is the difference between L and M now? It is L is 12, M is 13, so it is differing by 1, right? Plus 1. So here also it must be differ by plus 1. So F plus 1 is 7, 7 is G, right? 7th letter is G. Next it the intermediate number is +2. It is changing in all the other letter series. It is changing by +2. G +2, that is 9. Ninth one is I. So my answer for this question is GI. Whether it is there in the option? Yes, it is C. Answer C. I will move to next question. So again, when you see this type of questions, first you write down this DMP, F, L, N, H, K, L, J, J, J. Next, start numbering it. D is 4, M is 13, P is 16, F is 6, L is 12, N is 14, next H is 8, K is 11, L is 12, next J is 10, J is 10, also J is 10. Next, try to identify what is actually the link between series. Okay, it is 4, D is 4, just see D +2 becomes 6, again +2 becomes 8, that is D +2 becomes F, F +2 become H, this +2 10. So my answer, the first one should be the number 12, right? When I will consider the second letter, 13 to 12, it reduces like -1. Next again 12 to 11, it is -1. Again 11 to 10, it is -1. So from here to here it should be -1, that is 10 minus 1 is 9. Next, 16 number reduces by -2, 14. 14 number reduces by -2, then you will get 12. 12 number is reduced by -2, 10. Then it should be reduced by -2, that is 8. So what is the number? This is L, right? This is I, this is H. So answer is L, I, H. Whether there is option? Yes, the answer is L, I, H. So I will move to next question. Let us move to ninth question. It is the mixed type of question, that is you will get numbers in between the words. Okay, so there is always a link between numbers and a link between the letters which are given. Okay, you have to find out what is actually the question mark here. So again I will write the question first. Z3A, W9D, Q81J, N243M. Okay, when you there is one hint here, there is one logic behind this, that is when you see A along Z or B along Y, example C along X, right? When you see like this, so these are nothing but your complementary series. Okay, this is complementary series problem. What is this complementary series means? So total in alphabets we have total number of alphabets. Total alphabets we have 26 by 2. If I do, it is 13. So the 13 letters, first 13 letters should be written in the forward direction, and another 13 letters should be in the reverse direction, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M is the 13th letter. After 13, N should be written below M. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See, for A complementary is Z, for B it is Y, for C it is X, which I am already explained here. So the same logic you have to use here. Just see the question here. There is in the first letter group we have Z and A. These are all complementary. Again W and D, just check whether W and D are complementary. Yes, it is complementary. Next, just check whether Q and J are complementary. Q and J, yes, yes, I have Q and J as complementary, and N and M, yes, these are all complementary. So before solving this, while looking into the options itself, you can guess the answer, because just option A, it is given as RE. Whether RE is an complementary? No, RE is not an complementary, so this option is wrong. Next, when I go to option B, V and H, just check V and H. No, it is V and E, so this is also not an option. Next, option C, just T and G, just check whether T and G, yes, T and G are complementary series, so it may be the answer. Next, option D, check down the option D, this S and F. No, S and F is also not an complementary series, so the answer here is T27G. So answer should be question mark, this answer should be T27G. Now T and G you understood. What is about 27? The number here in the first it is 3, in the second group it is 9, in the fourth group it is 81, here it is question mark, and in the last one it is 243. You can see when you see 3, 9, 81, it's something the multiplication of 3. When 3 into 3 will you multiply, then you will get 9. 9 into 3 you will get 27 here. 27 into 3 you get 81. 81 into 3 you will get 243. So the middle, the question mark what actually asked belongs to T, number is 27 at the middle. Next G, because T and G are complementary. So this is one of the very important questions they usually ask to solve the usually ask in the government examinations. And I will move to so the answer for this question is T27G. Okay, I will move to next question. So again you can see here in the same question, again it is depending upon the complementary series itself. So A is there, B after Z, next B, C, Y, next C, D, X, and D, E, W, and they are asking what is actually the next series is. So again A to Z, AZ complementary, BY complementary, CX complementary, DW complementary. So I will write it down here. AB complementary series I will write again, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So for the first series it is A to Z, yes. For the second it is BY, yes. Third it is CX, yes. Fourth letter it is DW, yes. So next will be EV, Paka. So first letter is E, last letter is V, and what is actually the middle letter? You can directly see the options. Only one option is there starting by E letter. So answer option A. So how to find out the middle letter now? So here it is B, it is C, it is D, it is E, it must be F. So it is increasing by +1, again it is increasing by +1, again it is increasing by +1, it must be increased by +1. So answer for this question is option A, that is E, F, V. Thank you so much.